So you mentioned you start from the strategic planning and then shift over to technical design patterns. Like we had this design pattern book, right? It was like
Correct.
24 design patterns. Those are so called technical design patterns. But before that, you suggest that we should have this strategic planning. What does that really mean?
Of course. Well, in my opinion, a big flaw in many a software is when you have sort of a technical design. And I have witnessed that countless times, and I really, really hate it when I see something like that. You dive into the code base, and what you see is not what the business problem is about. Instead, you see abstractions, abstract terms. You see stuff that does not make sense if no one introduces to. And many an application suffers from this over abstraction and the leaky abstractions. And because a lot of people try to have a clever architecture and then they find weird technical solutions to the business problem they're really trying to solve. And domain driven design is not like that. Domain driven design says, okay, if you develop a solution, then this solution has to be really, really close to the business domain. We are not thinking in technical terms at first. Rather, we are thinking in solutions to our business problems. We establish a language, a ubiquitous language that everyone understands, the techies and also the business people. With this language, we communicate and we model our domain. And the domain is the problem we are trying to solve. And once you know what your domain is about and what the correct perspective to look at your domain is, well, then you can go and implement it.